first of all you will need paneer tikka. To make this you can check the I button here. And now next ingredient you will need is green chutney or mint chutney. The next ingredient is onion sliced and some mayonnaise. About half cup will be required. Now in a mixing bowl take a bowl and then add 2 tablespoons of mint chutney. This is to make mint mayonnaise. Just add now half cup of mayonnaise. After this, mix it very well to make the mint mayonnaise ready. Now I have mixed and mint mayonnaise is ready. Now take a pan, add some oil, spread it and add some chapatis to heat it up like this. You have to just heat it once from the both side here. Now add the mint mayo which we prepared earlier. Now add some paneer tikka cubes, add some sliced onion and now just roll it. Now I have rolled it. You can see, cover it with a paper or you can use wallpaper also. Your Paneer Tikka Kathi rolls are ready. These are very delicious. You should try it once.